Are you guys as excited about Final Cut Pro 11 as I am? Well, let me tell you how excited I am about it. I redid all of Final Cut Rockstar and Final Cut Rockstar Next Level. We've got a totally new working project featuring all the new enhancements that have dropped in Final Cut Pro in the past year. If you've been fumbling around with Final Cut for years and just watching videos here on YouTube trying to piece it all together, Final Cut Rockstar is going to be an absolute game changer for you. It's a systematic education in Final Cut Pro. I give you all of the elements to download, and layer by layer, we build a project together. And even if you think you know Final Cut Pro, trust me, you can definitely benefit from a structured course, but don't take my word for it. Check out this review from a recent user who's been editing for 5 years and still learned so much from Final Cut Rockstar. And just when you think you know all you need to know about Final Cut, you want to enroll in Final Cut Rockstar Next Level. This is where we dive deep into so many functions in Final Cut you never knew existed. It's going to make you a faster, more efficient editor. I'm going to show you how to totally customize your Final Cut Pro experience and make your videos more professional. I'm so excited about these new versions of Final Cut Rockstar, and right now is the best pricing you're ever gonna get on these courses. Final Cut Rockstar is dropping next week, and so you just have a few days to snag pre-order pricing, and Final Cut Rockstar Next Level is dropping early December. So pre-order now at jenjager.com. I'll see you here on YouTube.